Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Windows Server 8 Beta on Hyper-V. Click a new virtual machine. Next, the name virtual machine Server 8. Enter Generation 1. I'm using the virtual machine generation support all 3, 2-bit and 64-bit. Next, the memory. Next, the network default switch. Next, the location. Install on operating system from a bootable CD or DVD-ROM. Image file ISO. Choose the Windows Server 8 Beta ISO file. Next, finish. Okay, so this is the Windows Server 8 Beta, the fish boot logo. Okay, click on next, install now. I choose Windows Server 8 Beta, a server with a graphical user interface. Next. Okay, next. Next. Okay, why the process as for to finish. Windows need to restart. Click restart now. Okay. So preparing, getting device ready. So the VM is restored again. Fill the password. So press Ctrl Alt D to unlock. So using Hyper-V, press Ctrl Alt in and type the password. Okay, so this is Windows Server 8 Beta. Okay, screen mode. Check on WinVer. Okay, so Windows Server 8 Beta. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you.